Hello, this is Patti in Patti's Kitchen, cooking with Patti. Today I'm going to show you how I do my stuffed zucchini. This is quarantine cooking. I'm in the house, I'm retired, and I'm just doing stuff because I'm not going out to eat. And this is my stuffing that I'm going to stuff the zucchini with. And it has ground meat here and yellow, orange, red, and green bell peppers and the green onions in here. And I have a lot of different seasonings. This is just some of the seasonings that I use. This one, I use some Dash products, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and parsley flakes. And let's show you another one that I use, and it is called it's salt-free magic seasonings. I use that one. And this is the inside of the zucchini that I've dug out, and this is what the zucchini would look like, the little boats. And I've dug this out so I can put it in with my seasonings here and cook it. Also, I have some yellow squash that I'm going to cut up and put in my skillet here. And once all of this is done, then I will be stuffing this meat and all of the veggies in the boats. And this is what they look like. I've dug them out to stuff them. And I'm going to have about 10 of these size stuff, and some a little smaller. And then I'll come back and show you what I'm going to do before I put them in the oven. Okay, so come back and join me again. This is Patti, cooking with Patti in Patti's Kitchen. Okay, this is Patti from Patti's Kitchen, cooking with Patti. I'm back to show you the stuffed zucchinis, and these are this is what they look like. And these are about 6 halves of zucchini. I have some more to do, and I'm using the Colby Jack cheese. Of course, you can use any cheese you'd like, but I have chosen to use the Colby Jack. I'm getting ready to run these in the oven at 375 degrees, and I'm going to be cooking them for roughly 20 to 25 minutes or until the cheese is melted, because the meat and everything is already done. But this is what they look like. This is the Colby Jack cheese, but you can use any cheese. You can use the mild cheddar, the sharp, whatever you like. But this is what I had in the fridge, so this is what I'm using. I will come back and show you what they look like after they are done cooking in the oven. Thank you, and come back shortly. Patti from Patti's Kitchen, cooking with Patti, coming back to you to show you the finished product, stuffed zucchini. And the cheese topping that you see is Colby Jack. It is white and yellow cheese. It is delicious. And I put a little sour cream on top of the meat stuffing, and then I added my cheese, and I mixed a little bit of cream cheese in with my meat while I was cooking it. So this is the finished product of stuffed zucchini. Thanks for joining. Invite your friends to join. Share the video. Learn how to fix this delicious dish. I am doing a lot of quarantine cooking these days because I'm locked down in the house for the most part. So thanks for joining, and we will see you again soon. This is Patti, cooking with Patti from Patti's Kitchen. Goodbye.